I figured this is the season for Thanksgiving is coming up, and today's November 4th, 2020, and I just wanted to show some great items that you can find at your local TJ Maxx or Ross. This is actually HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, and decided we would do roasters. And the first one we're going to show today is the David Burke roaster. It looks like it holds around about a 15 pound turkey. Oh, up to 25 pounds actually, and it is going for $19.99. The next one is the KitchenAid, which is a really great brand. Roaster, and don't see the price on that one. I'll come back to it later. I thought this was pretty cool. This one's size 16, and it's Rae Dunn for all the Rae Dunn lovers out there. And it is going for, and it says on there, so cute, how cute is that? It says roast. That's so cute, and it's going for $29.99. You can see that. This next one is really cute. It reminds me of the stove, which is one of my favorite cookware. This one is called Smith & Clark. It's a nice little cast iron pot, perfect for fall. It has a pumpkin shape. Love that. Here's another Rae Dunn down here. And again, it says roast there. And again, it's $29.99. Beautiful color, but I really like the speckled one that I showed you earlier. On this side, we have more of what I just showed in a few cookbooks, so it's perfect for the season.